ஆரோக்கியமும் அறுசுவையும் சங்கமிக்கும் மாபெரும் FMCG Expo and Food Bazaar 2025 நாள் டிசம்பர் 26, 27 மற்றும் 28 தேதிகளில் இடம் சென்னை ட்ரேட் சென்டர் நந்தவாக்கம். அனைவரும் வருக, அனுமதி இலவசம்.
See, my party PMK is in talks with like-minded parties for an alliance in Tamil Nadu for the assembly election in 2026. And it will be announced shortly. And we will be forming a mega alliance in Tamil Nadu. And our alliance will sweep to power in Tamil Nadu. One thing I can guarantee is that DMK will be routed in the coming election, assembly election, because people are very, very angry with DMK, upset with them. All section of society are protesting every day, whether this is teachers, the professors, assistant professors, sanitary workers, nurses, doctors, parents, women, agricultural farmers, laborers, all the sections of society, they are protesting against the government, and they have been led on badly by this DMK government. They have promised a lot, but absolutely they failed to fulfill their promises. Even though they have promised nearly about 505 promises before the election, they have fulfilled only 66 of them. That is 13% of them. So all of them are now against this government, especially the government servants. They want old pension, 2003, before the 2003 pension. But they promised everything, but they didn't deliver. So this is something where the huge anti-incumbency wave, you can see it. Nearing elections is going to be a tsunami, and they are going to be routed, DMK is going to be routed from power.
So 96 vote dealt from the voter list after the SCR first phase 1. So how to look at this?
See, you have to look at the prospective part of that. Like, we have to clean up the system. And when you say that nearly 1/3 of the Chennai voters have been deleted, DMK calls itself Chennai area is the stronghold of DMK. Now we know how they are winning. With fake voters and voters who have passed away, with all that, they have done, DMK has done PhD in fake voting. So they are very clever in that, like. So they are going to be the worst affected here, like. And this is good for the state of Tamil Nadu. We need to clean up the system. And we need true voters. And still, there is still time. Any names have been left out. There is time. We have a camp today and tomorrow. Then next Saturday and Sunday. So 4 days we have a big camp. And anybody whose name has been left out could go to the camp and then get themselves enlisted. It's not like they have just deleted it, like. So some people, they have been traveling, they're not there. When the officers come, they're not in the house. All these things are there, like. So I think it is a much needed concept today, like. And it is, yes, I would appreciate the election commission for this.
So there is a speculation the OPS and the DT will join with the...
Yeah, I see. You should ask the question to them, and let us see.
So did you think TVK will make any impact in the upcoming elections?
We will see. Let them see. They are not spelled out what they are going to do. Let them spell it out, and then we will see.
So what is stand about the Tirupur issue? The court ordered to light lamp and hilltop, but not allowed.
Tirupur, see, you shouldn't politicize any religious issues. Now, at the same time, the courts also have given some orders, and we have to fulfill the court's order as well, without any law and order issue happening like so.
So final question. PMK founder Ramada issued a legal notice to you against use the flag and the name, PMK party name. So how to look at this?
See, I do not like to comment, because Election Commission has clearly given the party status to me, party flag to me, party symbol to me, A form, B form to me. And the High Court of Delhi has clearly said that status quo should be maintained. And for them to go to the civil court. This has all happened. And I don't know where people around him are misguiding him. He is not in the know of things. And there we have people who are misguiding him in a big way. And this is very unfortunate at this point of time. And we are very, very clear. So the party is with us, symbol is with us, A form, everything is with us, like. And the High Court's, Delhi High Court's verdicts also is favorable to us. He said maintain status quo, and for them to go to civil court. That's all happened.
So when will make the decision regarding the alliance?
Soon.
Okay, thanks so much.
Thank you.